It's cute. We cute. That makeup is everything. Cause like one thing I'm gonna do is slay. Period. The palettes that I used are Juvia's Place, the violets, and Juvia's Place chocolates. Chocolate. So out of this palette, I used this shimmer and this purple, or all the shimmery purple. So these three shimmers is on the lid. Um, Then for the browns, I started with this light brown, went to this brown, and then went to the, which one? To this brown right here. So went this. So I did those three. And the shimmer I showed y'all, the black liner, lashes, purplish pink ones. These are what's on my lid right now. Face, Born This Way foundation liner. I used e.l.f. Let's say Wait a While. I thought this e.l.f. Wait a While, mega liner. That's what's all of my line. And then like to go in my waterline, I use L'Oreal Infallible Carbon Black 16 hour. Can't go wrong with this. This is a staple, baby. And it's an OG for refer if you know about makeup. A pencil, a brow pencil. I don't know what color this is, but it's like a brown one. What else? Set makeup. I use this to set it. I use a translucent extra coverage airspun. And then I went on top of that with my MAC. And I also use like a little puffer first. I use this to put both powders on. So I put the translucent on first. Then when I got ready to like wipe it down, I got this. Okay, so this is my highlighter. I mixed Starburst and Divinity. So this is what Starburst looks like. I'm gonna take this off. I'll let you see it. This is Starburst. That's what Starburst gives, but it's more pink. I just don't want to waste any, so I'm not gonna like show you the lid of it. I mean the bottom of it. This is Divinity. This is what Divinity gives. So I just put Starburst first, and then I lay Divinity on top. So that's what you see when you see this. When you see right there. When you see on my nose, on my lip, or my cupid's bow. That's the highlighter. And then for my press powder, what is it called? Mineralized Skin Finish. It is in Deepest Dark. This is what I use all over the face once I got through setting and contouring and just wanted to bring my color back to match the rest of my skin. Or the rest of my body. And then the contour is always going to be this. They need to bring it back. I never know why they discontinue the good stuff, okay? Because this is CoverGirl Queen Collection Ebony Bronze. If you're OG, you already know. So yes. And maybe I'm hitting pan and in the mold. And I'm just trying to make it last. My last one, like... So yeah, that is that. The lippy is this multi-stick, Wet n Wild multi-stick. It's in Chocolate Cheat Day. So this is on the outside of my lips. And then I went in, so this color, and Buttercup to make it a gloss, because it's glossy. So the classic is a liquid matte lipstick, and this is a gloss. So these are the two I went in with. They're very similar in color. This one is more like towards the pink. This is more tan. So that is the lip. Hair. Oh, I gotta find my hair card because I know somebody gonna ask me about my hair. So this is the hair. She's a 13x4 hand tied. This is the hem hair blend. Color is 1B per MF. It's ear to ear lace. I just had a lace behind my hairline because I ain't finna glue nothing, y'all. I'm just in that mode where I just need me a good old U-part or sew in because I ain't in the mood for gluing. And the edges is mine. Everything is mine. If you don't have edges, put a headband on. Just put a headband on. But I'm gonna make it work for me every time. But yeah, it's gorgeous. It do tangle. I ain't gonna lie to you. With the purple hair, I need to get my brush. Like, this is just me sitting here. Like, but if you got this good old FH, what is it called? The brush, you gonna be alright, cause baby, they gonna keep them wigs together, okay? And I ain't got no sponsorship with them now, baby. You just know if you know. If you bought you one, you know. Like, this brush is everything. You see how tangled this is? And people don't believe when you saying this tangled. Look. See it in my fingers? And this I got rhinestone on my nails, but that's just me using the back of my hand, so I'm pushing in like that. But see, it's all tangled right there. My finger stuck. It's a knot. So I'm gonna get this brush and I just start brushing and it just detangles it. And now I can brush my fingers through it. So yeah. And I haven't had any shedding really, but I mean, I see a few strands in this brush, so I'm pretty sure it sheds, but not crazy. Cause like I said, I didn't the lace. I just cut it off, so maybe I cut too close because I didn't really want the lace. But yeah, this is the unit. It's cute. Love the color. Purple is my color, and it has a black underneath. Oh, like a yeah, it's black. See? So yeah, it's just cute. It's supposed to be bumped, like on a picture. It show hers bumped, but baby, mine ain't bumped. Hers is like bumps. Oh no, it ain't bumped. I just thought it was. It ain't bumped. She look cute with it though. She look cute. So that's what the wig is like. Exactly what you get when you see. Hers looking more a little red, but yeah. This is the wig and it's so cute and I love it. But y'all, I have to be able to do this. See, when you be able to do that, it just hit different. Can't tell me nothing. I put my hair back behind my ear. Can't say nothing to me. Cause who her? What lace? This is my hair. Came up from my scalp. But yeah, it's cute. I didn't do anything to it. I didn't pluck it. I just cut the lace and put it on my head. That's me all day. Going for like a little purple smoky kind of thing. You know, not too much, but like I did that. Oh yeah, check out the nails. I made these 4 years ago, y'all. And I'm gonna revamp them. And that ombre is definitely gonna be better when I come back when you see them. Yeah, these are 4 years old and I'm still wearing them. This is the first set of this I made, so it's the prototype, but I'm wearing the prototype. Because like I say, I always do the example for me. Like, so before I make a set, it's always a set for me. And I check it out, how see how it's going to last, how it's going to do, whether it be foil, glitter, rhinestones. Because I just got to give my customers a thorough, and I do mean thorough, set. So yes, these are really 4 years, y'all. 4 years that I have made these, and they are a fave. And you can get them on the site. They'll be lavish. That's what they call. Because don't they just give you luxury, baby? This gives luxury. Okay. But yeah, that's the set. There's nothing else, y'all. Appreciate y'all watching, supporting. Okay. And that's all.
Something we're missing. The ceramides and CeraVe moisturizers.
Comes to my bosoms.